Life is really full of surprises. At 34 years old, I was surprised with a new achievement far from what I expected. To be hailed King of Fortune 2015 is somehow a dream and a reality to me. Sino ba naman sa atin ang hindi gustong makita ang sarili na someday we'll have a beauty title of our own? Or kung hindi naman, isn't it a nice thing to be able to have such recognition? There were several difficulties that I had to go through, or should I say, not just me, to get the title. The rehearsals, the makeups, the dresses and the costumes, and to the people that made up the pageant. Hindi ko din naisip na ganun pala kahirap maging contestant sa ganitong pageant. Kaya nakakabilib ang mga taong dedicated sumali sa ganitong uri ng patimpala. It was a tiring ordeal but nevertheless fun. I am hoping I was able to reflect the ideals and stature of what King of Fortune is. Again, any title is a surprise, but it's also a big responsibility. That is for the people around us, our families, friends, people in the community. We live in a complicated and bittersweet world. But hey, we only live once. I have owned this stage last year when I was crowned. Tonight, I am going to pass the crown to a new deserving woman for this title. Let me leave the stage now with a happy heart, bearing in mind I have earned my spotlight. To the next King of Fortune, I hope you enjoy your reign and fulfill your duties until you. I want to say thank you to my family for all the help and support, for the belief in my abilities and strength, to my daughter for the inspiration, to my husband who have been there for me always no matter what, to all my friends whom I cherish dearly. Sobra kong saya dahil sa pageant na to na nagdagan ng kaibigan ko. Magkasama tayo sa saya at sa lungkot. Ang mga hindi matawarang selfies kay Mami Star na isa sa nawala at sumagpunta sa akin. Nakakayanin ko ang laban. Mamimiss ka namin. Sa aming Direktor Weng, maraming salamat po. At sa aming Kapitana Rizalina Chope, na hindi lang mabuting kapitana kundi isang mabuting tao, maraming salamat po. I am thankful to God that you're all with me tonight for this moment. Again, I am Mary Ann Oshal, King of Fortune 2015. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po. Life is really full of surprises. At 34 years old, I was surprised with a new achievement.